Soontrue Machinery Equipment Company Limited, established in 2004, is a leading manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sales, and service of horizontal packaging machine, vertical packaging machine, and fully automatic packing system, which are mainly applicable in bakery industry. Foshan Soontrue supplies more than 3,000 packing solutions for customer all over the world every year. Started with a humble beginning in a small workshop in 2004, when its name was Xinxing. Now it has grown into a company with 435 staffs and 41,335 square meters, along with well-improved factory management. Foshan Soontrue has been certified as ISO 9001, and Soontrue machines are CE certified. With strong R&D group, Soontrue is devoted to providing customized products for customers and spend much efforts on new product launching. Along with the market-developing trends, Soontrue machines come into a servo age whom concentrated on researching and developing full servo motor-controlled packaging machine like SZ180, SZ100S, SZ160, ZW3000S, SW60, ZL-180SF, etc. In order to increase the efficiency and shorten the production lead time, Soontrue has built a robot assembly line, which takes only 30 minutes to assemble a machine. Annual output is up to 5,000 sets of packaging machines. With more than 15 years continuous innovation and development, the Soontrue machines' quality are up to high level, which wins trust from domestic and foreign customers from Asia, Africa, the USA, and Europe. You are welcome to visit Foshan Soontrue factory to witness the product diversity.